everyone, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. Thank you guys for joining me in another recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken parmesan. If you have been craving for chicken parmesan, this is the right recipe for you. It is so simple and yet really classic. You should stay tuned and watch this to the end. Let's make it together. In this chicken parmesan recipe, I'll be using 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Place the chicken on a chopping board. Use a sharp knife to cut the chicken in half lengthwise. Cutting your chicken breast into 2 helps it cook really fast and evenly. Next, you're going to season the chicken breast with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Turn over to the other side and season as well. Arrange 3 bowls on the table. To the bowl containing half cup of all-purpose flour, I'm going to season with a 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper. You can also use black pepper and a pinch of salt. Also season the egg with garlic powder. A 1/4 teaspoon will do. A pinch of salt and red chili pepper. While in the third bowl we have half cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Stir all to combine with a fork. And also whisk the egg as well. It's time to start breading the sliced chicken. Dredge the chicken cutlet in the flour mixture. Make sure you coat both sides and then shake off excess flour from the chicken. Transfer and dip into the egg wash. So I'm going to be using my hand for this. Make sure your hands are properly clean. And lastly, dip it in the breadcrumb mixture. And once you're done coating the chicken cutlet, you can place in a dish and set aside. Repeat the same for the remaining chicken cutlets. Once you're done breading all the chicken cutlets, place a medium-sized skillet on the stove top. Add enough oil to the skillet to cover the bottom. And once the oil is heated, transfer the breaded chicken into it. Saute the chicken per side for 4 minutes and turn over to the other side and do as well. After sauteing the chicken on both sides for 8 minutes, the chicken is completely brown and almost cooked. So we are going to remove the pan from the stove top. Next, pour 2 cups of marinara sauce in a casserole dish. I'm using homemade marinara sauce and I've made a video on how you can make this, so you can check it out. Arrange the fried chicken in a marinara sauce in a single layer. And spoon some of the sauce on top of the chicken. Top all the chicken cutlets with 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. And also with 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 minutes of baking your chicken parmesan, you will notice the sauce bubbling and the cheese has melted. You can take it out of the oven. And you can go ahead and garnish this with some freshly chopped basil and parsley. You can use one of the leaves, but I'm using both because I have them handy. This is a well-seasoned chicken parmesan with flavorful tomato sauce and melty cheese. It's so yummy and it smells so good. And let's dig into this. So cheesy. This is the best, and I really know you are going to love this. So guys, this was how to make a yummy chicken parmesan. I hope you try it out at home. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Hit the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, enjoy your yummy meal. Bye.